Buenos dias. We are looking at how to pronounce the letter W in Spanish. How do you say it in different words? How is it to be pronounced properly when you speak Spanish? First off, you have to know that the letter W is called the double V in Spanish, not W, because when you think about it, given the shape of the letter, it's more of a double V than a double B, or a double U, I should say, a double U, right? So it's called la doble, doble meaning double in Spanish, and V being Spanish for the letter V. So la doble V is how the letter itself is called. Now, how does it sound? Most commonly, the letter W is pronounced like a U in Spanish, that is to say, with the sound U. Let's see what it sounds like in front of different vowels. We in front of an E or an E. We. Before an I, we. Before an O, wo. So you can hear the sound U and then O, wo. Before a U, woo. Okay. Before a Y, same as before an I, we. So essentially, the letter W is most of the time used for words coming from foreign languages, mainly English, but there are going to be some words coming from German and also from Asian languages. In words coming from German, as in this name, the name of this famous German composer, it is to be said as a V, that is to say as a B, because of course in Spanish V is pronounced like a B. So here in this specific German word name, German case, it is pronounced like a B. Wagner. But in most cases, in English words that are imported into Spanish, it is to be said U, like a U, as in web, just the same pretty much as in English. La web is how it is said in Spanish. A name like Winston, it's going to be said Winston, just a U sound. Or Weber is how this would be said in Spanish. Or whiskey, pretty straightforward, right? You could also say, also an English word imported into Spanish, el water polo is how this would be said. Or Taiwan, the name of this country. There are some cases that exist where the letter W in some Asian words, as in Chinese or South Korean, it is sometimes pronounced more as a gu sound, gu. But that's very rare, so I'll leave it here for today. I hope this was useful. Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. More videos on how to pronounce more interesting Spanish vocabulary and more letters too. Thanks for watching.